Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be talking about Pi software from Zerodha. So if you guys don't know this software, this is a software from the Zerodha which they gave for the PC platform, that is for Windows platform. So this is a software like IME Broker and all those things. Okay, so this is how the software looks. So if you guys know Kite and Kite 3 and are the web based and phone application based softwares. Okay, so this is an like this is some form of an advanced software. Okay, so this is called as Pi. So you can download it from the Zerodha account itself. You can log into your Zerodha and go to the back office. So once you go into the back office, there you get an option called as Pi. You can click on it and that will guide you how to install this software. So after install this software and log it, this is how the software looks. So I'll be guiding you like little few things and little briefly about this softwares. Okay, so before that, if you're new to my channel, kindly go inside my channel and watch all the trading videos. It may be for trading purpose, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notification from my channel. And also if you're new to a stock market, if you want to learn how to make money constantly in stock market, if you're having loss and if you want to recover the loss, you can join my course. I do provide an NSE course. So all the details are in Blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. So here you can see all the details. My course price are very less and reasonably priced. If you're taking both the course, you're getting discount in the price also. Here you can see feedback and earning proof by my client after taking the course. Okay, so you can go inside it and watch all the latest earning proof. Okay, so all the ledger proof, everything is been displayed here. And also many client has won the Zerodha 60 days challenge, even that has been displayed. Okay, and also one of my client who has joined my course has bought his own new car after making consistent profit in the 5 months. Okay, so everything is displayed here. You can go inside it and watch all of these things, and if you're interested to join us and to earn like this and to learn like this constantly, you can definitely join us now. And also you can see feedback messages from my client after taking the course. So these are all the feedback messages. Okay, so after you join my course, you will be able to make money constantly. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy strategies. No indicators is required. These are unique strategies. I'll teach you how you can make money constantly, and also just by spending 15 to 20 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. So all this I'll be guiding you in my course. Okay, so guys, now by being said that, let's talk about the software, that is PiChat. Okay, so this is how the software looks. So here you can see like a lot of things like order book, admin position, all of these things. Okay, so here you can see orders, position, and all these things. Here the main things are this, that is alerts. You can create alert, the scripted alert, and also you can do scanners, backtest, and all. And also have something called as artificial intelligence. So I'll be showing you all that in this. So let me just open on chat. So this is an advanced kind of chatting, guys. So when you click on a stock name, right click on it and go to chat, you'll get all this option like what period chart you want, like interval, days, everything will be popped out. So you can select whatever you want and click on OK. So when you select that and click on OK, it will take some time to load up. So once it loads up, this is how the chat looks. It's very clear chat. I really like how the PiChat represents its chats. Okay, so from here you can change its time frame and stuff. 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes. So in Kite you don't get 2 minutes chat and all. Here you can see 2 minutes, 5 minutes, all the unique kind of chats is displayed here. And here you can see candle and all the things. You can go to study and add any indicator however you want. So this is how you can add the indicators in Zerodha Pi. Okay, so just click on it and the indicator will just start applying. So all these things are there in this. And when you go to artificial intelligence, you can get a lot of advice, like software which are inbuilt, strategies which are inbuilt in this software. Like you can see a lot of inbuilt strategy are there in this, which are coded. Okay, if you want to just try on anything, you just click on it and click on apply, so that strategy will be applied. Okay, this is how it works. And also you can do a lot of backtesting in this. So as you can see, if you go to click on alert, you can do backtesting and all of these things are displayed here. Okay, so this is how it looks actually. And if you want to add if you want to add any of the things like any of the stock, this is where you search. First you have to select whether you are adding in feature and option NSE or BSE, and just type stock name here, let's say ACC. Just select ACC and click enter, and the stock will be added to the list very easily. So that's how it works. Okay, so you can just right click on that to delete or anything like that, and right click on it to do like buy, sell, anything. So there is a lot of shortcuts also. So if you guys want me to make shortcut videos on how to use this software in a deeper manner, even I'm ready to do that. So if you want to get that video, do support this video and leave it in a comment section if you want me to make that video. Okay, so here is all the things where you can see the options. Okay, so this is how it looks, and you get a lot of chat tools like where you can put Fibonacci, Gantt fan, and all these things. Okay, so you can explore a lot of things in this. So if you guys don't know about this software, this is just an overview what I gave you. So okay, you guys can install this software. So to install it, just go to your Zerodha back office, and there you can see at the left side you can see option called as Spy. So click on it and install it, and this is very easy and very good to use. Actually the chat things are very good in this. Chat looks very good. Okay, so you get a lot of things here, so you can use it. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. I just felt like sharing this Spy chat software with you, so that's why I did this video. So thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one.